upbeat music playing. Welcome back to the channel where we help you avoid buyer's remorse like it's the plague. Today, we're diving into a battle of the steam mops that'll put your grandma's old mop to shame. In the left corner, we have the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop, and in the right corner, the Bissell Steam Mop. Let's see which one will be crowned the king of clean. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is priced at $149, which some reviewers find steep but worth it for its effectiveness and versatility. In contrast, the Bissell Steam Mop comes in at a more affordable $92, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. Reviewers appreciate that with the Bissell, they can save enough to treat themselves afterwards. Now, let's get steamy. Both mops take about 30 seconds to generate steam. Reviewers of the Shark mention that if you're not seeing steam, it might just need a little more encouragement with the handle. This has led some users to joke about giving their mop a pep talk. The Bissell users, however, have reported consistent steam production, making their cleaning experience seamless and efficient. Moving on to cleaning power, the Bissell Steam Mop claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which has impressed many reviewers, especially those with pets and kids. They rave about its germ-fighting capabilities and how it tackles tough spots. On the other hand, while the Shark is effective for everyday cleaning, some users feel it doesn't match the Bissell in terms of sanitizing power. One Shark reviewer mentioned it's great for general cleaning, but lacks the deep cleaning punch that the Bissell offers. Now let's talk features. The Bissell Steam Mop comes with SmartSet digital variable steam control, which has been praised for its ease of use and versatility. Reviewers love that they can adjust the steam level to suit different surfaces. The Shark, with its pocket mop design, is appreciated for its convenience, but doesn't offer the same level of control, leading some to wish it had more features. One reviewer mentioned the Shark's simplicity is a plus, but others feel it could use a little extra flair. Last but not least, odor control. The Bissell Steam Mop features odor-eliminating fragrance discs, which has garnered rave reviews for leaving homes smelling fresh after cleaning. Users appreciate that they can enjoy a pleasant scent while mopping. Meanwhile, the Shark relies solely on steam to tackle odors, which some users feel is less effective. One Bissell reviewer even mentioned that the pleasant scent is a game changer, making cleaning feel more enjoyable. Overall, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is highly praised for its reliability and ease of use, especially among longtime users. However, it's seen as more of a general cleaner rather than a deep sanitation tool. The Bissell Steam Mop, on the other hand, receives accolades for its powerful cleaning capabilities and affordability, making it a favorite for those needing a thorough clean. So after all the steam and drama, who takes the crown? If you want a budget-friendly option that cleans like a champ and smells like a dream, Bissell is your go-to. But if you've got a little extra cash and want to feel like a cleaning ninja, the Shark will do the job too. Remember folks, whether you're Team Shark or Team Bissell, the best mop is the one that fits your needs and keeps your floors spick and span. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to buy smart. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it fun.